Hi everyone, today's topic is living and non-living things. So, living things are the ones which can move and breathe on their own, and non-living things they don't have any motion by themselves, and they don't have ability to grow, and they can't move from one place to other place. So the first set, there are two things, ball and a butterfly. Ball is a non-living thing because it can't move on its own, can't grow, it can't able to breathe, or there is no ability to reproduction as well. So ball is a non-living thing, and butterfly, it can fly on its own, and it can breathe, and it can reproduce. So butterfly is a living thing. The second set is snail and a ball and spoon. So which one is a living thing? Snail. Non-living thing, bowl and spoon. The third one, apple and ant. Apple is a non-living thing because it can move on its own. Ant is a living thing. Bird and a cord. Bird can move on its own, and it can reproduce, and it has life. So car, it is a non-living thing because it is not having any life. It can't move, it can't breathe, it can't reproduce. So non-living thing. The simple worksheet is for kids, like circular non-living things. We need to just explain what is living thing and what is non-living thing. To summarize this, living things are having life, and they have the ability to move, grow and breathe. They have the ability to reproduce, and the non-living things basically don't have any life. They can't move on their own, and they doesn't have an ability to reproduce. They don't grow. So that is a basic difference. Thank you for watching this.